How to add music to Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add music to Instagram posts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add music to Instagram posts, all we have to do is open up the Instagram application. By the way, make sure it is updated to the latest version because this is a new update. Then all you have to do is just tap the plus icon from here, select a certain post that you want to add, tap the next option. To add a music right on this page, on the filters page at the very top, you'll see the little music icon there. So tap on that music icon there. Then once you've done that, you can simply select a particular music. You can select the verse of that music and the seconds of that music, by the way. You can also make it longer to maybe up to 1 minute, I think. So you can go ahead and select that as well. And once you've done that, you can just hit the arrow option and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add those music. This way you can add music to Instagram post. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.